Hi friends, this video shows how to install game Roblox in PS5. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First we have to go to PlayStation Store. Select Games tab from top left corner. Select PlayStation Store. Then in this PlayStation Store we have to select search. Select search. Then we can search for Roblox. See, here we can see Roblox. Select it, and here we can see the download button. Select download. See, now it's downloading Roblox. Please wait. Here we can see the progress. Okay, done. Installed. Now it's ready to play. So this way we can install a Roblox game in PS5. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Now if we go to home screen, here we can see the Roblox. From here we can start the game.